welcome back to our channel. As you can see from the title above, we'll be doing another U-part revig. Revig? It's not even a word. Anyways, from this company here. I'm gonna insert a clip of me unboxing this hair in a few moments. But first, make sure you hit that notification bell, you hit that subscribe button, and you comment below so we can do more of these things. So here is where you're gonna see me unboxing the U-part. I bought two, one all black, and I bought this one, which is, I believe, 1B in like 30 or 27. I think it's 30. I put all the specs down below, but I got it out from LUV ME Hair, which is a new site I'm trying. They came with combs, clips, the whole shebang. They even had some nice hair wax that you can add with the hair, which I thought was pretty dope. So in this next clip, you'll see me washing the hair. The hair, I just used some regular shampoo and conditioner I had around the house, and it washed pretty well. The problem with this one is, as you see in my other video, the colored hair sheds. It's not pretty, but it sheds, unlike the darker hair. But I found LUV ME Hair from online, basically Instagram, because I was looking up new hair I wanted to try out, and I don't go for colors that much, so I would really like to see what this hair was about. And as you can see, I thought the color of this hair was way too bright, so I wanted to darken it for my skin tone. I just thought it was too plastic looking as well. But after I dyed it, I didn't have the video to show you. It looked nicer. And there you have it. So this is the hair color now, and this is the box I use. I just used this. It recommended, I think, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes. I didn't leave it on for 30 minutes. I left it on for like maybe 10 minutes because I just wanted it a tad bit darker, not too dark. So let's see what this looks on, because I have not wore it yet. I did cut the string already. This is how I keep my hair wrapped at night. But yeah, I cut the string already. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put it closer to my light. It has the 3 clips around the U part, the 1 clip in the back, and the 2 adjustable straps. I really don't like these straps because this is a medium. I usually go for small, and small is better for my head because, you see, I don't have a head that big of a head anyways. And when it's medium, it's too much, and I have to cut and I have to add all these clips in. So this is going to be bigger than my head size, and these little adjustable straps always come undone. What are you going to do? So let's comb this out. You guys been like catching up on Grey's Anatomy? It's bonkers. Okay. I've been a Grey's Anatomy fan since it came out. Yes, I've been watching this since I was in 5th grade. That's not the point I'm getting to. Grey's Anatomy is crazy. So I've been a fan for a very long time, but this season it was like womp womp, so I haven't been watching it that often. But I let them stack up, and I was just like, man, before Hulu starts doing that weird thing where it's like, oh, these episodes are expiring, why not watch the ones I've missed? So I finally had some time. Girl, I want to tell you, I was crying. I watched 4 episodes in a row. And it was the 4 latest ones. Because today's Thursday, they'll be putting out another one. But it's not up yet. And I was just like, where did these writers come up with this stuff from? Like, oh my God. Spoiler alert. I'm very country. Alex Karev's wife is I'm getting a hair clip. Alright, baby. What? You know what? I always realized in real world, they don't really talk about that kind of stuff. But Grey's Anatomy talked about it. I was like, no freaking way. I got my mirror here so I can make sure my part is good. Even though this looks kind of cray-cray. I said, no way. Shonda Rhimes, she ain't playing with us. She not playing at all. And the lady was confronting her mom that abandoned her at the fire station when she told her all this. And now she's drinking and going crazy. Then they had the whole episode about the lady who was drinking too much in the bar. Got beat up by somebody she was flirting with. Oh my goodness. Honestly, that's why I don't go out that often. If I don't have like my ride or dies with me in a stable way back home, I'm not going out to drink by myself. It's just not happening. I'm one of those people, better safe than sorry people. I'm not going out by myself. Sorry. Like, it's crazy out there. I think it's crazy. We live in Vegas. It's where all the tourists come and lose their mind. You think I'm going to go out here partying in my cute, sexy club dresses by myself? You out of your mind. Not going to happen. Grey's Anatomy is so good. Tell me anybody below if you guys watch this show too and you're just like surprised on how far they're taking it. Like, for all means, keep going. I want to see what else crazy, stories you got. Because obviously that comes from a real place, right?